Hi, I'm Joe. I'm a member of Teaneck Meditation. This week's topic is me who is not sincere. I looked up the definition of sincere. I found it interesting that it said a person who is the same on the inside as they are on the outside. It also said someone who is honest, genuine, and free from prejudice. You know, I certainly like to think that have liked to think that for the most part I am someone who is sincere. But when I think back upon my actions in the past, I do feel that nearly always there is some element of self-centered motivation behind them. Even if I think my motivation is for the good of everyone and everything, I think, there's a selfish component to it and a manipulative component to it, because I am trying ultimately, or have some level of expectation around my actions. I have this one memory of being with a friend when her dog was dying, and I went with her to put her dog down and, spent several hours with her, was there when they euthanized the animal. I believe I even contributed financially to the procedure. And a few years later, I lost a dog and called her, and left a message, and it was several days later she texted me that she was sorry and didn't even call. And I immediately thought about what I had done and how I had been for her, and sort of was weighing that against how she was for me, and it just increased my grief, made me feel mistreated. And if I was truly sincere in my actions, I would not have those expectations, even if they came to be after the fact. I think that many times in my actions in the past, there has been some sort of expectation bank that I would draw on in the future to create almost future expectation that didn't even exist when I did the original action. So I'm looking forward to this week. I'm looking forward to throwing away images of me who's not sincere with all of you. So together we can all, find the truth and work towards one day when we too can be truly sincere and the same on the inside as we are on the outside. Thank you.